Good evening. At first, uh, we are talking about TreeShade. TreeShade is an extension for Adobe Creative Cloud. Let's execute Zoom it. Okay. If you write here exchange.adobe.com, then Creative Cloud, then search for TreeShade, and you will find it here. TreeShade is an extension for Adobe InDesign and Adobe Bridge, and for Adobe Creative Cloud in general, because it's a file management system, also a content management system. After installing TreeShade, open Adobe Bridge. Then from Window, select Extensions, then TreeShade. Let's select again, Window, Extensions, TreeShade. Okay. Where TreeShade plugin is open in another bridge window. So, what does that mean? Window, workspace, essentials, reset to save layout, TreeShade, close banner. There's only one window. I don't know why this message is showing. Okay. TreeShade will ask you to create a root folder for your project files. I have here this folder, TRST. And you will have this line, workshop, where you put your files here inside a folder called workshop. And if you click here, versions, you will go to versions of files. And here for output, not for editing, we have final PDF, versions PDFs, and the trash, and also pages for design thumbnails. Okay. After determining the root folder, you will find the main.js file, this file, main.js. Execute this file as a Node.js application. So you need to install Node.js. From here, nodejs.org. Install Node.js, and in terminal, go to the root folder. The root folder in D partition, cd trst, and here execute the application main.js. Okay, now I have a local server for T-Shed to reveal the project online. Also, I need to tunnel this server online. I'm using service called ngrok. I have this command from the website. It's easy to install ngrok. Just search for ngrok and install it. So if you write ngrok, here install ngrok and execute the command, you will find the command. Just copy the command and put. You will find instructions, easy instructions. If you want to connect to a custom domain, you need to pay $8 monthly. Okay, now I have this domain, ts.darulwatan.com.sa, this domain. So I can reveal the template online and share with the collaborators and customers to fill the content. Inside workshop, let's create a folder in Adobe Branch. Let's name Saturday, SAT. SAT, Saturday. And here, you need at least one text file. That has the submit button settings. So write submit, the button name, submit or update, and colon and dot slash to update in the same location. Just like that, and save the file inside the folder that we had created. Inside TRST, inside the workshop, inside Saturday SAT. Okay, now name the file links or data or any word, but after this word you need to write ts_key. This is a flag determine that it's a settings for the form. The settings file for the form. Save. Okay. Now I have this file. This folder created automatically by TreeShade, so don't delete it. It's supposed to be hidden. Inside the Mac, it's hidden, but in Windows, it's appear because it starts with dot. It's supposed to be hidden. So also, if you check or uncheck show hidden files, nothing. So just ignore this folder. Okay, now online. If I write the domain name ts.darulwatan.com.sa and then write the folder name SAT. Now I will have only one button, submit, but there is nothing, empty, because the folder is empty. Now let's save an InDesign file. New file. Okay, create. And let's save inside our folder SAT Saturday. Let's name layout. Save. Okay, now I have InDesign document and the text file for the button settings. And now let's make any change and save. Okay, TreeShade in Adobe InDesign, you need to select from window extensions TreeShade to start the extension here, and it will show you the root folder ZTRST. Okay. Now let's save the file and close. Now in Adobe Bridge, now in Adobe Bridge, I need to check in the file. So right click on the file and select check in to create a version. So the document revealed online. Check in as final, no. Now Adobe InDesign will open the file automatically to export a PDF file to be associated with the version file. Open and close. Open, export PDF and close it. Now if I update the form, I will have preview for the document. And a link for the PDF file. Okay. And here Adobe Bridge automatically revealed the PDF file in versions. So it automatically go to versions PDF to show you the PDF file. You need to click here again under workshop to return to the InDesign document. So this is a barrel bath. Like here inside workshop, we have this folder, Saturday, SAT. If you click here, you will have the same path, but instead of workshop, version PDF. Okay. Now, because I have the settings file start with data, I will create a folder called data. So this settings will be as a gate for the folder for sub-content. I can name instead of data, I can write links. So let's create. Okay, I forget to mention that if you change the name of the setting file, Adobe InDesign document it automatically updated. It automatically checked in because this automation related to this file. Because when the end user submit the form, this file has a counter. So when the text file changed, automatically Adobe InDesign document updated. So here let's create links folder. Now let's create a text file. Inside links, let's create paragraph.txt, save. Let's write some text here. Okay. Now to place the text file as live snippet inside the document, you need to check in preferences in file handling. Check this create links when placing text and spreadsheet files. And instead of checking this option every time you create a new file, let's check while all files closed. So now I will change, so it will be general. Okay, to place the text file as live snippet, open a text frame and insert the text cursor inside, and then from Adobe Bridge, right click on the text file, select place in InDesign. Now We have live snippet here. Let's change the format. Let's create paragraph style. Okay. What is a live snippet? The live snippet is a portion of text marked by tree shade by non-printing anchor text frame at the beginning and the special character in nested style here at the end. And you have menu called live snippets. This menu only for this live snippet. You can use the select command to select the content or to select the whole snippet with the markers from the beginning and the end. If you want to change the text from a place within the live snippet to the end, you can put the text cursor and select the command, select to end border. So now you can change. This is important to use the select to avoid deleting the markers at the beginning or at start accidentally. Okay, if you edit an instance of a live snippet, you need to submit. So submit selected. Okay. We put it here. Let's change the color to white. Now, if I save the design document, TreeShade will ask me, do you want to check in? If I click yes, the current version will be updated. A new PDF file exported and a new thumbnails for the page also created. Now TreeShade automatically switch to version PDFs, page, location, and select the PDF file. Now here, if I update, now I can change the text from here. Good morning. Submit. Now the local server will receive the new content and send a command for Adobe InDesign to open the document, automatically update the live snippets and the links, and exported the new output. And here to the end user, he will have the new update. Good morning today and every day. Submit. Okay, let's add photo. Let's add photo inside links. Also, I want to mention that TreeShade automatically create thumbnails displaying the text with the text file itself. So you know where this text is placed, and you know what its task and function inside the layout. Okay, now let's add any photo. Let's rename photo and let's place. Do you know I want to separate the photo from the frame? So you can change the photo, but without this frame. Or let's because this took. If I change the photo, I need to determine where is this text. So anyway, let's redefine. Do you want to check in? Yes. You know when the design finish from updating the version by switching to Adobe Bridge. It's automatically switched to Adobe Bridge and reveal the PDF. So just enter the PDF revealed and select it. If you don't want this behavior, you can right click and from preferences, these preferences for Adobe Bridge, for tree shade in Adobe Bridge, just uncheck this. Switch with InDesign and check this. So now let's try to change the text and the photo. You know. Okay, but I need here to change the fitting. What it's called? The fitting. Yes, to fit content. Fill frame proportionally and Let's make object style. New object style. Photo. And here, frame fitting options. Let's check auto fit. And let's keep as fill frame proportionally. And okay. Let's save. Do you want to check in? Yes. Okay. Again. Just change the photo. Why is the photo appear like that? I didn't assign the object style to the photo. I forget. Okay, now it's working. Save. Do you want to check in? No. I will complete after half hour. Join me after half hour.